The waffle stitch is worked over a multiple of 3 stitches plus 1. So for my little sample, that is 25 stitches because 24 is a multiple of 3, and then I add 1 more onto that, and that makes 25. So what I have here is just a base of 25 single crochets, and that is my first row. Now for row 2, to get the waffle stitch pattern going, I'm going to turn my work and then make a double chain 2. So the double chain 2, you insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, so there's 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both of those, so there's just 1 loop on your hook and there's these 2 loops coming off of that. I'm going to insert my hook under the farthest away loop, okay, so right under that, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and that has just made a thickened chain 2, and that takes the place of the very first double crochet. It gets our hook up to the height we need to make double crochets. So now that we've done that, we're just going to double crochet into each stitch across. This counts as our first double crochet, so when we're done, we will have 25 double crochets worked all the way across. And here we have row 2. For row 3 of the waffle stitch, we are going to turn our work and make a double chain 2 into the first stitch. So we make that the same way as we did last time. And now we hit our repeat section. We're going to front post double crochet around the next stitch. That's when we pull the post towards the front of our work. And then double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. We're going to repeat that, and that's going to take us all the way to the end. There won't be any stitches left over. So double crochet, front post double crochet around the next stitch, and then double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, all the way across. Row 3 of the waffle stitch. For row 4 of our waffle stitch, we turn our work, make a double chain 2 into the very first stitch, and then front post double crochet around the next stitch. Okay, now we hit our repeat section. We're going to double crochet in the next stitch, and then front post double crochet around each of the next 2 stitches. And then we're going to repeat that across until there's just 2 stitches left. So double crochet in the next stitch, and then front post double crochet around each of the next 2 stitches. Keep repeating that until there are just 2 stitches left. 2 stitches left, so I'm going to double crochet into each of the last 2 stitches, and that will be the end of row 4. Now, after this, what you do is you keep repeating rows 3 and 4 until you get your piece to your desired height. So next we'll do a repeat of row 3, then row 4, and so on back and forth. I'm going to repeat rows 3 and 4 once more, and then what I'm going to do is just finish this off with a single crochet row to match the single crochet border row on the bottom. So it's really easy to add a border on this one. You just add it right on 1 stitch per 1 stitch.